Supplementary list. Pronouncement of judgment. Item number 1.
The impending order, having recorded the fact that no prima facie case had been made out, should, as per the mandate of the Act, Section 23C, close the matter. But instead, the same order directed for inquiry against concerned officials. This offer, therefore, being excess jurisdiction vested in respondent number 2, is bad in law and is accordingly set aside and quashed. Consequently, instant matters stand remanded back to respondent 2 for fresh consideration. Writ petition stands allowed.
Highly obliged.
Any mention?
Your Lordship, hearing item number 12 to 18, both the parties are filing their bullet point.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, Mrs. Sen. Yes.
This was fixed for filing of written submissions, my lord.
Okay.
We both are filing today.
So as written submissions, I have prepared a compilation of the case laws that I'm
I wanted
relying.
bullet points.
No, the compilation lordships wanted
All
to be
the
put together.
judgments?
All the judgments, the compilation is here. The ones that I'm
compilation,
relying.
so it's up to you.
Yes, I have already submitted.
No, the compilation, you have cited other judgments over and above
Correct.
the
2, 3 are
compilation.
there which I have given separately.
You kindly give a list of the judgments you cited. It's going to
No, in the
it's going to be
written
comprehensive
submission-
judgment,
in
so
the
I have to
written
start. I have to
submission-
look at the judgments that you have placed.
In the written submission, it has come.
I mean the judgments.
Yes.
As I've noted your arguments, I mean we broadly.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
These are fixed for. This will be fixed for order judgment.
Yes, it's bullet points you submitted along with compilation of judgments. Hearings concluded, matters reserved for judgments.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, Your Lordship.
Number?
22, Your Lordship.
I think we'll wait on matters to be called out, not going on in adjournments. You wait. Yesterday was a very, the entire hearing list was finished. You wait.
Lordship.
You mentioned when matters called out.
Your Lordship.
Supplementary list.
You mentioned when matters called out, yes.
Yes, I'm trying to mention item number 29 and 30. Your
No,
Lordship.
you wait. No mention. Because it's gotten out of hand. Yesterday the entire hearing list was mentioned.
Supplementary list. Item number 2.
If the matter can be disposed of, we'll dispose it of. There's a limit to, what you call it, to being kind. Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, this is the contempt, Your Lordship, where this Lordship has directed to complete the entire process within the period of 4 months. The operative part of the order is the page 12, para 7, my Lord. It's the last. Lordship, I may read it.
Yes.
Having considered submission on procedure of the material where it is submitted,
issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Steps taken is 80 within 3 days.
Lordship.
Mr. Conley and so and so.
Lordship.
Item number 3.
Lordship, this is whole non-payment of bill, Your Lordship, where I haven't given some contract to do. Then I have completed the completion report also has been submitted by the competent authority. There is a pending bill they have not released since from 2021. I have completed within the period of 60 days they have given. So I have completed all the process. It is there, the completion.
What contract is this?
They said that this contract is that Din Bandhu biogas plant for biogas plant. Biogas plant is not
Biogas?
Yes, biogas.
Why are the bills certified? Admitted
Certified
dues?
because they in their joining
Is
letter.
admitted dues?
Yes.
Are the dues admitted?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that?
This page 29. This is a completion report, my Lord. Page 29. It's a
What's the
typo.
value of the contract?
Value of the contract because they have given a number of contract out of this is because value of one contract is carry for 30,000.
No, value of the entire contract.
In entire contract, my lord, it will be because they have given the series of list of work. I was given 92 biogas plan.
You work order 92. Each one's how much?
Each one is carrying 30 lakh.
So you have 35 lakhs. So you got a
30,000.
contract with 35 lakhs, 34,180.
Yes.
How much has been paid to you?
They have not paid only.
They have
some
paid
amount,
any amount or not?
They have paid some, lordship, only.
What amount?
Lordship, I have mentioned in my para, lordship.
Clear. You have to have the facts.
I have clearly in the petition I have mentioned, lordship, how much they have paid, how much they have not paid, lordship. It is there, lordship.
Where is that?
According to them, they have been paid. They are yet to receive 27 lakhs, Your Lordship.
27 lakhs.
Yet to
But
receive.
in the previous 11 lakhs.
No, this is the para.
I've got the wrong.
Para 5 I have mentioned, lordship.
I've got the
11 lakh is the due. 11 lakh 34.
Sorry, Your Lordship. It's 11 lakh 34,000.
In the para 5 I have categorically mentioned. Even in my cost title also I have mentioned the due, how much I have to get it.
You made it 92 or 60?
The entire was given 92. Out of 92 I have completed 60. And
Then
that
why you
to
completed
that effect they have because they only asked me only to complete 60. Actually I have mentioned in the petition also I supposed to complete all the 92. I was willing to complete also, but then they said that the process they said you only complete.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this we are only in respect of the respondent number 1. This is an agency which had given them the contract, Your Lordship. So I think notice has to be given.
Complete the agency?
Yes, lordship.
The agency is part of the
I have.
Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency. Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. P.T. Sangwal, a petitioner, issue notice Ms. T. Yang led AAG with so-and-so is present, except notice on behalf of respondent 1 and 2. Notice to go to the remaining 2 respondents by registered AD within 3 days. Just after 3 weeks. For instructions, I believe it.
Lordship, this item number 3 to 6 is the same.
Same respondent?
Lordship, same.
All made 6.
Yes. No.
Daily list. Daily list, item number 1.
Much blessed, Lordship.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Good morning, Your Lordship. I will be arguing since my lawyers have withdrawn. This is regarding the
Last time
case.
there was a mention made by a certain MS I. Kongman on behalf of the petitioner.
No, Your Lordship, that was just a lawyer that let my father here since he didn't know where and when to do that. I was hospitalized at that time, so.
What is your grievance?
Your Lordship, it's regarding the notification, Your Lordship. I would like to humbly brief that the Meghalaya Police Act 2010, specifically Section 23 and 29, enables
No.
the.
What is your grievance?
My
Now,
grievance
why
is
you
regarding
here in person?
regarding the
Why
advertisement.
here in person?
Actually, my Lordship, my lawyers have withdrawn.
No,
So-
yes, withdrawn. In the sense that why are you? What is your
My grievance
why
is that
the
we.
matter is it pending? Any interim orders have been passed here?
No, Your Lordship, the argument is today, and it's regarding the advertisement which we were denied the opportunity to apply.
Yes.
Regarding the police recruitment on the 6th March.
One second. Let me see the order sheet. You are a candidate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let me see it.
So, may I
Okay,
proceed?
now I understand. I remember this matter. This
Okay.
matter, that there was a brief interim orders that was not allowed.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, Your
You have
Lordship.
not appealed against this order?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have appealed against this order
Yes, Your
before
Lordship.
the division bench?
No, Your Lordship. This is my first time.
You want to argue this matter?
Yes, Your
Then
Lordship.
we'll fix it for hearing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When this can be not today, because it's for orders. So since you appeared, because last time there was no representation, you are will record you as petitioner in person.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Lordship.
Yes. Your name is
Barilang Pingrong.
Balampun Rob. take down MS Balang Pengro, the petitioner, sought permission of the court to present the case in person. Stop permission. Prayers allowed. Stop MS Tiangi is present on behalf of the respondents. When do you want to listen for hearing?
As soon as possible, Your
As soon as
Lordship.
possible.
After a week, Your Lordship.
After a week, list the matter. After 1 week, the date will be given for hearing.
Thank you, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Okay, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I think due to some technical difficulties, Your Lordship, he's unable to connect
Who?
through on Senior Advocate Jyotendra Singh.
Regarding?
It's regarding that election
Yes.
election petition. It's
No, madam.
Yes. Yes, with Jyotendra.
Yes, madam. Today, madam, I have submitted my miscellaneous application number 8, 9, and 10.
Yes.
So, madam, in this miscellaneous 8, 9, 10, notice may be issued. In the other case filed by my learned friend, I have already given my reply today. So, madam, matter may kindly be listed together after issuing notice in my miscase.
Who's appearing? Yes.
Yes,
No,
madam.
sir, I am appearing on the other side.
Who's that? Oh. Yes, Mr. Pandey. Have you received what miscase was filed? Number?
8, 9, and 10.
8, 9,
3
and
miscase
10.
filed yesterday.
Yesterday.
8 is regarding what?
8 is regarding the application filed by the PW1, Tito Star, and other 2 miscellaneous applications have been filed by the other 2 witnesses, as directed by your lordship last time. So I have filed separate miscellaneous application for correction.
Okay, now 8 is filed by the election petitioner. 9 is who's this? Is by all the witnesses.
Yes.
Is a witness. And 10 by other witness.
Other witnesses.
What is
So
the application?
in these applications,
Yes.
these applications are not, I have mentioned regarding the bona fide mistake which we have committed at the time of filing. So in order to rectify that bona fide mistake, so I am having this 3 miscellaneous applications separately, my lord.
Okay.
So
Yes,
in this
Mr.
case, my lord,
Have they received notice? You received notice of the application. Do you have objections? You will have objections, of course. We
yes,
listed.
notice may be issued, my lord.
Yes,
Notice may be issued.
like in petition number 8, Miss case, Miss election petition number 8, 2024 in election petition number 223. 3 orders in jo. This is an application for seeking leave to allow the applicant to replace a statement made in the examiner-in-chief stroke affidavit. Stop issue notice. You accept notice. So it's present on behalf of the respondent. Stop who prays for. And how much time to file objection?
Probably
1 week.
yes, 1 week. 1 week.
1 week, yes. This is the matter of 2 weeks, yes. For further orders.
But
1 week. 1 week time enough, Pandey, Mr. Pandey.
Item number 3.
Objection, yes.
is fixing it for which day?
We'll fix it. What date when do you want it? Mr. Jyotendra, which
Yes,
date do you want?
Madam, next week, any day, madam.
Not next week, because 1 week they have to file the objections.
Yes, yes.
When?
In that case, madam, let it be in that case 16 or 17.
16, 17, difficult. It'll be after that. 22nd. Or no, 21st, yes.
22nd.
21st.
is slightly 22nd.
22nd, okay.
22nd, madam, because 23rd I have some Supreme Court matter. So let it be either 22nd, madam, that would be better, madam.
Okay, 22nd. 22nd. 22nd, yes.
Obliged.
Lordship, private respondent are yet to file the counter.
I pray some more time, Lordship.
Why?
See, my affidavit is ready, Lordship, and Mr. Lordship, they will be coming next week, Lordship.
What happened? This is how much? What is the?
12,
You've
10,
taken
12
how many?
and 13, Lordship. 10, 12 and 13.
Sheikh 9, 10, 12 and 13.
10, 12.
Mr. Chanda 9, 16 and 19. Who's Mr. I Alam?
Or NCTE, Your Lordship.
He's there. That's Mr. I Alam. Already filed. Yes. Respondent affidavit on behalf of respondent number 6 has already been filed. The same on board. Yes. Mr. S.A. Sheikh, Learned Counsel for 10, 12 and 13. You're filing, you want to fight time also? Mr. S. Chanda for 9, 16, that pray for further 2 weeks time for affidavit. This thereafter is.
Item number 4.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for 1 week time to
1
file
second.
the objection, Your
The
Lordship.
file hasn't come.
Lordship.
Why affidavit in the civil revision?
Your
There will
Lordship,
be some facts on
we have
record.
an objection, Your Lordship,
Objection to?
to the petition filed by the petitioners, Your Lordship.
Admissibility.
Your
You're with her.
No, I'm
Lordship.
appearing for respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
What's the objection?
This is the instruction what I've got, Your Lordship, to file an objection.
No, what's the matter about?
It is still an acquisition matter, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1, my lord, is the present Sardar.
What is the one regarding the Sardar going and
Yes,
compromising?
and compromising
the
with the...
They're challenging that compromise agreement. The order passed by the...
They challenge the compromise.
Yes.
So we have an objection to that.
You have no objection?
We have objection. We even...
No, you have objection to maintainability of the writ petition.
Yes.
Oh no, I remember now. You have to have to bring on record other materials showing that there was a meeting, something like that.
Your Lordship.
Then file it.
1 week time may be granted, Your Lordship.
Yes, for 1 week's time allowed to the counsel for the respondents to bring relevant materials in record by way of affidavit. Not affidavit. Yeah, by way of affidavit, just bring materials in record. Yes. Not affidavit per se.
Yes. Interim may continue.
Interim order shall continue next date. Yes.
Item number 5.
May it please, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I humbly pray 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. We have sent the affidavit, Your Lordship, but there is some clarification regarding the affidavit, Your Lordship.
After we have upon 3 and 4 already on board, MS and Raji. Only final opportunities to you. Yes. Not further 1 week's time.
Your Lordship, if you can... time, Your Lordship.
1 week's time.
In the meanwhile, I will file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by respondent 3 and 4, Your Lordship.
But to file the rejoinder to the affidavit filed respondent number 3 and 4 in the meantime.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 6.
As per the last order, my learned friend have appeared, but she asked for filing rejoinder. Actually, Lordship, I have gone to the affidavit filed by the respondent. Actually, this one is not required to file because they are admitting, because only saying that this only for creation of post, because they said that is under process. They are admitting they wanted to create a post.
What is the matter about?
This is matter about on the last occasion there is another order by the Lordship has in the order dated 19/9/2023 has passed the effective order saying that I should be given a job with a condition that my land which I have donated to the government has to be registered. So I have complied all those things, but then the state government was not taken initiative. But after filing of the petition, now they are saying that in the affidavit filed by their state respondent, they are saying that it is under process. They have annexed the documents also. The communication, everything is there. So Lordship, Otherwise, my lord, this can be disposed with the passing of some effective order because.
Yes. No, registered. Where's the affidavit?
Your Lordship, my affidavit I've already filed, Your Lordship. We've already stated, Your Lordship, a proposal for creation of courts has already been made.
No,
it's pending, Your Lordship, with the personal department.
Where's the memorandum of
Memorandum.
affidavit?
Memorandum is in your petition.
Memorandum is this one, page 20. Page 20, annexure 4. The office memorandum
One
is
second.
Lordship.
Where do you say that it's being processed?
Your Lordship,
Which paragraph?
para 7, Your Lordship, page 5 of my affidavit. We requested the government, Your Lordship, to return back the file so that we can move further, Your Lordship.
Where's the memo? Memorandum?
Yeah, yes,
Page
Lordship.
20, Your Lordship, of his
Page 20,
petition.
annexure 4.
Page 24.
Para 7 is there. It's amended, amendment of para 7.
Yes. Anything else to say?
Your Lordship. If a
Yes,
time frame can be given, Your
yes.
Lordship, a time frame can be given for the government to
Yes,
complete the process.
Dear petitioner, just before this court, in the second round of litigation, with a prayer that directions be issued for regularization of the services of the petitioner in terms of the earlier proceedings, and the earlier proceedings stopped. In the earlier round, in the earlier proceedings before this court, namely WPC number, next paragraph, 257/2021, the matter on an office memorandum dated 30/8/2017. Somna? Namely, okay, being fine. Had been placed by the learned senior government advocate, which stated that private land owners who have donated the said lands for projects were to hand over the same to a registered deed, to enable the government to provide employment to such persons as recommendations to be made as recommended in grade 3 or grade 4 posts. In terms of the said instructions, WPC 257 was then disposed of, directing the petitioner to complete the required formalities as provided therein. Stop. Next parameter, PT Sangma today submits that as per the directions issued by the court, the registered land document had the said land was registered, and with the document
Yes, Annexure 7, Lordship, that registered document. Page 25.
A deed of a gift, a registered gift deed for the said land was executed. Whereby the land was executed in favor of the state respondents, was represented by the subdivisional officer, public health engineering, Simsangre subdivision, Gisgaro Hill. He further submits that though the gift deed was executed on 15/9/2022, the respondents are yet to regularize the services of the red petitioner. You are the grandson or the son of who?
Grandson of the Nokma.
Who's the grandson of the Nokma and still working temporarily?
Yes.
Till date. He therefore prays that orders be passed to direct the state respondents to regularize the services as per the office memorandum within the limited time frame. Stop. Next, MS Ailingwa for the state respondents. What's your submission?
Your Lordship, that a proposal for creation of posts has already been made, and the set is pending before the personal department.
In terms of the office memorandum, and in view of the fact that the sale deed or gift deed has been made in favor of the respondents, a proposal for creation of
posts, Your Lordship.
Of a post has already been forwarded to the which department?
Personal department.
To which one?
The personal ANRB department, Your Lordship.
The personal department, Government Meghalaya. But you are yet to get.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When did you make the proposal?
The proposal was made on 24th April 2024, Your Lordship.
Only 24th April 2024?
No, Your Lordship, there have been other communications also,
The last
Your Lordship.
proposal was made for creation of post, last being by letter number dated 24/4/2024. Letter number para 7 affidavit by letter numbers so and so by letter number PHE stop 178 stroke 2021 stroke 2 dated 24/2024, but that the respondent number, who are you? Ujit Pimarak.
Yes.
Your respondent number?
Yeah, the executive engineer.
You're executive engineer.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Respondent number?
Executive engineer, Your Lordship.
Is executive engineer Simsangre division.
Respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 3 is yet to receive any sanction stuff. Upon hearing the counsel for the parties on examination, the materials will record. It seems that the delay, that though the formalities have been completed, the delay has occurred due to the process that is taken for creation of the post and for the receipt of approval thereof. Accordingly, this account directed that the entire process, position of the writ petitioner, be complete within a period of 6 months from the date of copies of orders submitted before the authorities, before the respondents. Matter only stands closed and disposed of.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 7.
Your Lordship, respondents 8 to 10 and 11 are to file their affidavits.
My lord. My lord.
Yes.
Engaged counsel is coming from Guwahati, my lord.
Who?
Prasanto Hazarika, my lord.
Whose counsel coming from Guwahati?
Prasanto Hazarika, my
He's
lord.
coming now.
He's about to reach, my
We'll
lord.
wait for him.
No, my lord.
I'll go outside and receive him. You want that? What do you want? You are representing 8, 10, 11. So what do you want?
8 to 10,
8
Your
and
Lordship.
We may be allowed to file affidavit
Then?
for 2 weeks, my lord. Time.
How much time you taken before? 1, 2, 3 file?
No matter 1 to 3 will not be filed. There's an order.
What are we filing? 4 to 7? Already filed. Number 11? Number 11. What's the bill? Number 11.
Mr. J. Shilla, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Your Lordship, removal from service. Bank
Why
matter, Your Lordship.
8 to 10 whom?
RBI, Your Lordship.
RBI,
How long you to file affidavit?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks. Regarding the Juwai matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
11 is anxious. Yes, you are Ms. Hazarika.
Yes, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
Why
I'm
not
late.
file your affidavit?
No, I have not filed, my lord.
Filing today?
No, we are praying for more time, my lord. 3 weeks time I will grant it, my lord.
You are for 8 to 10?
8, 9 and 10.
Okay. Mr. P. Hazarika, on behalf of the respondents 8, 9 and 10, prays for further 3 weeks time to file the affidavit. Stop. There's no representation on behalf of number 11, who's yet to file affidavits. Affidavits on behalf of respondents 4 to 7 is already on board. At least a matter of 3 weeks for affidavit by the remaining respondents. Yes.
Your Lordship, I pray that interim order may continue.
Interim orders if anyone till the next series.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 8.
Your Lordship, in this case, I may be given 2 weeks time. I have received Parawai's command. Within 2 weeks time, I'll file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
What's the matter
This
about?
is regarding non-payment of pension, my lord. Pension.
When did you
and
file
other service benefit.
When was it filed?
It was filed in the month of May 2024. May.
When did he retire?
He retired in 2021, my lord. Is there.
21 till now, no pension paid?
2020, this is...
What instructions have you got?
I have received that because we have asked him.
Dispose it off.
This is
Why not filing affidavit? When did you receive the instructions?
We have asked. I have received the instruction, but yet I was by mistake.
When was it received?
I have received in the month of.
In pension matters, please remember, you file your affidavit earlier. Otherwise, we'll hold the council responsible. People are retired; they're not getting pension, and if the delay is caused by council, they're not fit to represent. Where's the instructions?
I think somebody might have taken the file. I have received because we have asked.
When did you receive it?
In the month of June. I have received in the month of June. But inadvertently, I have misplaced. I put in place in another of my files. So only yesterday I have taken out.
You're a very seasoned lawyer. Don't make excuses.
They can just dispose with giving some frame time, lordship, because
Giving some frame time will not work, Mr. Sangma. We have to see what instructions are there.
Because I'm the regular employee, and then they are not disputing. And it's a mandate.
Affidavit to be filed by the government council within 3 days. So this is the matter on Monday.
But they've claimed it from the government. At least 1 week time may be given, Your Lordship.
That's your mistake. You correct your mistake. Yes.
Item number 9.
Otherwise, we'll pass other orders.
At least 1 week's time, because I'll have to call the client from West Garo Hills. So at least 1 week's time may be given, Your Lordship.
Okay, 1 week's time.
I'll oblige, Your Lordship.
I'm for the state, my lord. I'm paying for some time.
Does this pension matter?
No, Lordship.
It's not a pension. What matter is this?
Appointment of teacher, Lordship.
You're out of the job or? What do you pray? Who's respondent number 6?
I'm appearing for respondent number 6 and 7, Your Lordship.
So you're serving now the teacher. He's challenging your appointment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He has no affidavit file as yet.
No, my lord.
From May.
My lord, I got my instructions this month only, my lord.
This month we are in the last part of the month.
I'll pray for some time, my lord.
Similar to Your Lordship.
The school, the managing committee filled up the post before the vacancy arose.
Yes, Lordship.
Against the future vacancy.
Yes, Lordship.
You file affidavit within.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. K. Raji, in behalf of respondents number 1, 2, 4, 5, who's representing?
I'm the appearance of respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
Your name?
Sachi Disseminate.
MSS D. Sangma. As an appearance to the respondent number 5. You want to file affidavit? Affidavit? You want to file affidavit? You want to file affidavit, yes or no?
Yes.
You are the one who appointed MS Raji's client. You don't want to file affidavit?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Who prays for allowed 2 weeks time for with similar prayer. 6, 7 is whom?
I'm appearing for 6 and 7, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. Similar time granted to 6 and 7. Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 10.
Please, His Lordship. I am appearing for respondent number 2 to 5, Your Lordship. I am praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, for filing my affidavit.
You are allowed only 2 weeks time beginning of the month.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What's the matter about?
About releasing the pensionary benefits, Your Lordship.
Pensionary benefits?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When do you retire? 2 to 5 is whom?
Oriental Insurance Company.
On the 31st.
Oriental Insurance Company. You are retired on?
On the 31st July 2015, Your Lordship.
2015?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are governed by pension scheme or General Insurance Employees Pension Scheme?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When did you enter parents' last date? Last date was 8th. You have not filed it. Have you received instructions?
Yes, my lordship, actually we have received the paragraphs comment yesterday only, so we'll be filing.
You are S. Kharprang?
No, Z. Begum. Z. Begum.
Okay, so and so for 2 to 5 submits instructions have been received. She prays out 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes, for you already recorded. Ms. S. A. Prasan's present on behalf of respondent number 1. This after 2 weeks for affidavit expiry, respondents number 2 to 5.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 11.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 1, 2, and 3, Lordship. I pray for time to file the affidavit. Respondent 4 is the managing committee.
Pension matter?
For the managing committee.
School. You file. You're not filing.
I'll file. I'll pray for further 2 weeks time.
Yes. 2 weeks. For the time as per the respondent file affidavit list thereafter and so on. Yes.
Hearing. Item 19.
Your Lordship, this case, when it was initially filed, it was numbered as a CRP. And Your Lordship will see order dated 16/2/21. 16/2/21.
21.
21.
One second.
I think it will be the first order.
Yes.
16.2.21, matter taken up by BC. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that since it is an appeal from a final judgment passed by the first appellate court, the same is in the status of a second appeal. Accordingly, this matter may be registered and diarized as second appeal.
Yes.
Issue notice. So it was diarized as second appeal. Now, my lord, we'll see the cause title of this revision petition also. It's under Order 6. They've termed it as Rule 6. An application under Rule 6 of High Court of Meghalaya Jurisdiction over District Council Orders 2004, read with Article 227 of the Constitution of India.
2 seconds. Yes.
Yes. So by way of the that order, this becomes an appeal. My lord, an appeal would fall under the provision of Order 3. Now, Order 3 says that an appeal against a final judgment or decision of a district council court in a civil suit where the valuation of the suit is rupees 1 lakh or more shall be in the High Court. Now, this suit has been valued at 30,000. So the question is whether a second appeal also would lie.
Then they have to take up the revision. They can't be left without any. They have to come 227 then, because we can't. Then we can't. You know, they can't be without any.
Yes.
You know, ladder. I mean, whatever. What you ready with the matter today?
Yes, actually, we are waiting for instruction. We have informed the claim, but till now we have not received.
Informed
regarding with this cost title and all receipt, because last time also he had made same submission.
I had to make a submission.
So we have informed.
So what will the poor client see about procedural aspect? Litigants have no right over the procedure. They only have right over the substantive part of the case. Procedures to the learned counsels and the court.
I'm praying for 1 week time. Let my senior come.
Where's the senior? He's not here.
He is due to personal difficulty.
You just inform him that we'll reconvert it in view of the objection raised by the counsel for the respondent that in terms of pecuniary jurisdiction, then the appeal not be maintainable before this court. So it have reconverted into a CRP under 227. Okay. Yes. Mr. D. Hinyota has raised in about 1 week's time to obtain instructions from Mr. A. Siddiqui or no?
Yes, SDK.
No, we not correct. We won't write that.
From the petitioner.
Yes, from the petitioner list after
right.
2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
21.
Please, Your Lordship, let it come at the end of the boat.
Why?
I'm not prepared.
You're here.
No, no.
You have the brief with you.
No, the lady counsel is on legs, but I am not prepared right now. You know.
Why you not? What leading counsel? Mr. Ubin?
Mr. Ubin, yes.
What's the matter about?
This is about a compassionate ground, Your Lordship.
Where's the other side? You ready with the matter today?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I'll take some time.
22.
I don't allow adjournments because it's becoming a very, unhealthy trend. Then the morning, the entire hearing list is, just at mentioned time, the entire hearing list is exhausted. And
this matter, my lord, I'm seeking for some time. I require instructions.
But what's the matter about?
My lord, this is regarding, my lord, election of Mintri, my lord, in Malay Somat aimship. A connected matter regarding the clans eligible for the... Yes, my lord, for the same. That was, my lord, disposed of by your lordships. And there was a direction to the district council to take steps regarding the bill, my lord, which was returned by the governor.
Yeah, Mr. Kinta, what happened to this, that amendment that you made? And
that bill, everything never saw the light of day. There's nothing right now. And my colleague was saying that it is in the offing to be passed, etc., etc. There's nothing right now.
But the bill's been prepared.
That also I have no instruction.
Bill is prepared, my lord. It has to be placed before the house. That is...
When's the house sitting?
There's nothing in the pipeline, your lordship, regarding... The house is sitting off and on every quarterly. And
This House of District Council doesn't have provision for the special counsel to take part. It has provision.
It has got emergency session are there.
No. A provision for the special counsel to sit. Like, you know, in Legislative Assembly, I don't think it's well known, but you have 60-member House. Suppose matters of importance, then Advocate General is number 61. Proceedings also.
We have.
You have that.
The
also.
governor has the prerogative.
Because sometimes it's required. Because legislative knowledge is very.
Exactly.
At least if you know the special counsel can sit sometime, just explain, show them the roadmap. That is how what do you do in passing bills, how consideration, what kind of those are the things.
In fact, right now the decision of the EC will be of paramount importance, so long an act is not there or a bill is not there. My colleague will have to close this matter and wait for.
We'll adjourn it for now. After 3 weeks, yes.
Deeply. Much obliged.
Now the prayer on the counsel of the petitioner.
Item 23.
Can you read into?
My lord, this matter relates to the creation of a village, or we can say amalgamation of 2 villages.
Yes.
My lord, the writ petitioner village was in existence for a long time.
Oh.
I think the certain background of the case.
Yes.
My lord, page number 28, annexure 1, 1990, my lord. From that day on, my lord, the village of the petitioner was in existence. Page number 28, 28, my lord.
28.
My lord. This was, my lord, passed by the chief in 1990. So from 1990, village was in existence, and in 2000, my lord, 3, the parent village impressed upon the district council behind the back of the petitioner, and in view of that, my lord.
No, one thing, just you were given permission in 1990 to create own village.
To exist as a village, separate village.
Let us see, because the pure Mausa mentioned Sansa is constituted under Mausau. Mausau Mini. Your village is called?
Mausau Mini, my lord.
Yeah, therefore, the members want to reconcile first, 20 onwards, 23 or so. So he's the same petitioner here, Slip Star Lindo.
Well,
he was upon Sardar of the new village.
Sardar, well.
Okay.
And from that day on, he continued with the villager. And in 2003, the village was recognized by the district council without any due process. And therefore, my lord, page number 45, the present petitioner, my lord, has filed a writ petition. And Lordship may find this order in page number 45. The operative portion is available in page number 46.
Old Sardar only.
Yes. So the recognition order passed by district council was set aside by the Honorable High Court.
Now 2003 was order 2003.
But
whereby derecognized.
My lord, may I come to the relevant portion? Lordship may kindly come to page number 46.
That is the derecognition.
My lord. And I come to the second paragraph, my lord.
No, derecognition from the district council. Where's that order which was set aside?
My lord, it was not annexed here, my lord. But my lord, here the present petitioner unable to locate the order passed by district council. But that order was set aside by the Honorable High Court. Yes. In the second paragraph, my lord, while the village was being administered as such, with the petitioner as headman along with other village darbar, the respondent number 3, executive committee in charge, has issued an order dated such which was intimated to the performers, same of non-posopo or same ship by letter such from the under secretary such. The case of the petitioner is that before passing the said order, no opportunity was afforded the petitioner of being heard, and the order was also passed without any authority from the district council. The district council, which is the competent authority to pass the order or in lieu thereof to authorize 2 new executive members as provided under section 16 of the provision of the census and such. May I come to the matter? A perusal of the order shows that the petitioner was not given an opportunity of being heard, and that respondent number 3 has no authority to hear the matter and pass the order. The order is therefore validative of nature of principal justice, and this is also against the provision of the Act. In view of the above, I dispose of this petition at this stage and direct that the matter with regard to the admission of a Mausau Mini village be examined by the Executive Committee Response Number 2 by affording an opportunity to the petitioner being heard before passing any order against the village represented by the petitioner. So consequently, the order that is passed by the Response Number 3, Executive Committee in charge, Ilaga, and the letter sunset issued by the Secretary Sunset is hereby set aside and quashed. So matter revert back to the District Council.
Yeah,
And my Lord may kindly see page number 51. The Eupneo clan, who is one of the principal party here, also intervened themselves. Page number 51, my Lord.
Yes.
Number 1 is the chief. Number 2 is the Sardar of Mausau village, parent village. And number 3 is the petitioner village. And number 4 is the Eupneo clan. Now
What's the role of the Eupneo clan?
Eupneo clan, now they say that the entire land is under their control, customarily. And
your village inside their
fall under that area, the customary area. And they say that without our knowledge, permission, village was created. Therefore, the village should be as one. There should not be segregation of any 2-3 villages.
Go back to Mausau.
Yeah, back to Mausau.
Okay.
That was, and they intervened themselves in 2005, and Lordship detailed order was passed. I come to the detailed order, page number, my Lord, 55, my Lord.
Yes.
Well, may I start from page 54?
Yes.
In pursuance to the High Court order that such passed in such, the Executive Committee has authorized us to hear and dispose of the matter connected with the creation of the separate village by the name Mausau Mini, Nomposopo, same ship. The case has been narrated in a nutshell below. Mausau Mini is a located area originally falling within the village Mausau, but with the passage of time, Mausau Mini grew in size and population, especially since many hamlets within Mausau Mini sprung up, and differences arose whereby Mausau Mini area was neglected for development works, etc., by the village authorities of Mausau village. The residents of Mausau Mini, for the purpose of improving the living condition of the villagers and to achieve developmental scheme, etc., approached the CM of Nomposopo and expressed their difficulties of being part of Mausau village, and while letters and such sought his permission from having a headman of their own, also to accord recognition of Mausau Mini as a full-fledged village created out of Mausau village. The CM of Nomposopo and Darpa, in response to the aforesaid application of the people of Mausau Mini, initiated steps by persuading both parties to patch up with their differences, but in view of the refusal from the sides of Mausau Mini, the CM of Nomposopo and Darpa conducted an inquiry, and on finding that the grievances of the people of Mausau Mini being genuine, passed an order and such, appointing Slipstar Lingdo as a sub-sardar to look after the affairs of Mausau Mini. In order to regularize by his order 1990, and the opposite party was recognized as sardar of Mausau Mini. It may be mentioned here that the complainant and the others objected to the appointment of sub-sardar by the CM of Nomposopo to the Executive Committee, but for the reason best known to the complainants, the opposite complaint was not pursued by them, and as such no formal passed by the then Executive Committee. The Sardar should no longer Mausau Mini file a complaint petition against the action of CM Nomposopo by such, and on the basis of the above complaint, and the then executive member such rejected the recognition of the Mausau Mini as a separate village.
Now you see, your village name is Mausau Mini.
Mausau Mini, my Lord.
But then who's the Sardar of Mausau Mini file a complaint recorded here? It's confusing.
Madam. Sardar will...
It'd be Mausau only means, or what?
But it seems that they have filed against the order passed by...
My colleague is making submission from...
Mausau Mini.
I think he should come straight to the impugned order passed by EC, that is before this court. Then he can go back.
That's all right, let him just see what you want.
It's getting a little bit confusing.
Yes. Now carry on. Yes.
Madam.
Yes.
Then, my Lord, I may come to the... Accordingly, the matter was, my Lord,
Yes.
fixed for hearing on such 2003, and both parties turned up. On the said date, both things and such. Nevertheless, such written argument were not received even after the expiry of the stipulated date, except the petitioner and such. From the face of the written argument put forward by the Slipsar petitioner, read with enclosure attached herewith, it would be apparent that the CM of Nomposopo had given permission and recognition towards creation of Mausau Mini by carving out of Mausau Mini village since 1990. Since then, the village Mausau Mini has been recognized as a separate full-fledged village within Nong Pao Sopo without any objection or interference from any quarter whatsoever. The CM of Nong Pao Sopo has also appointed you, Lingsto, as a Sardar of Mau Sau Mini. It may be seen that Sardar of Mau Sau village had lodged a complaint via representations and such against the appointment of a sub-Sardar by the CM of Nong Pao Sopo, which this Honorable Executive Committee did not pass any order, but simply called for report from the CM of Nong Pao Sopo, who did not submit the same. And the matter simply ended there in as much as the complaints had not pursued any further on their representation. On this ground alone, the issue cannot be raised again at this time after a lapse of more than 10 years. Subsequently, perhaps a court approval of the creation of the...
They recognize you again. What
yes.
happened after?
Then I continue to exist, my lord. And the Yopnau clan also continue to issue NOC, my lord. May I take your lordship attention to page number 68. This NOC also issued by the Yopnau clan. In the since the order was passed, they did not file any appeal. But I, the manager of Yopnau clan, was hereby allow Mau Sau Mini village to implement road work, PWD, or any other government department. I am empowered to initiate work from such and such. So NOC he used to issue that he recognized the existence of the Mau Sau Mini.
You accept the fact that you're under this Yopnau clan?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Customary exercise of the Yopnau clan, no one disputes. No one disputes that. Okay. They continue to exist, and my lord, surprisingly, after 13 years, Lordship, can you see page number 79? Yopnau clan, along with the headman of Mau Sau village, filed a complaint before the chief again. It was filed on 15/6/2018 to revive the issue that was already buried, my lord, settled long ago.
1 second. This is page 79.
79, my lord. Annexure 15.
There's a complaint regarding?
The complaint by the Yopnau clan. Yopnau clan.
Yes.
As well as the headman of the Mau Sau village.
It's a request.
More or less a request or complaint. They are trying to revive the issue.
Yes, Yopnau clan.
My lord.
Yes.
And my lord, may I just take the...
And Sardar of Mau Sau.
Yes.
Right. Then what happened?
My lord, this was the complaint raised for revival of the issue and questioning the creation of the Mau Sau Mini village, and therefore urged the chief to relook into the matter.
Yes.
Now, may I just take the first portion?
Demarcate any, okay, yeah, what
yes.
happened?
Thereafter, my lord.
What's this map you've annexed here?
Yes.
What's this map? What's the significance of this map? Why you've annexed it? P78?
My lord.
Showing your village?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, that was the village boundary was settled already, my lord.
Yes.
And thereafter, my lord, after they received this complaint, the headman of my village came to know this complaint, and the chief informed him that there is a complaint or request, whatever representation, from the Yopnau clan and the Mau Sau village.
Yes.
Therefore, as an individual, he has sent this letter to the chief. Lordship, can you see page number? This will be page number 80. My lord, 82. This will be 82A, my lord. If Lordship available? 82. The type copy.
Annexure?
Annexure, my lord. Annexure 16.
Confirming Sanad.
No.
What do you want to show?
No, sir. Next to Sanad, my lord.
What do you want to show, Mr.
The translated copy of the...
What letter?
The letter dated, my lord, 23rd September 2018, filed by the Sardar of the Mau Sau Mini.
23rd September?
My lord.
It's not here.
My lord. May I just assist, my lord.
It's on page 83.
83.
Not September, some December letter.
23rd September 2018.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Page 83.
My lord, but I'm so sorry, my lord. My colleague has translated the copy put here, and in the court copy, my lord, it is not given. But it is
What is
available.
the court copy and your copy should tally? I mean, annexures. You show an annexure what in your copy?
Annexure 16.
Okay, yes.
Well, can you see the annexure 16? So the Sardar of my village expressed his personal opinion that it requires
16 is in Khasi.
in Khasi, madam. Madam.
Yes, where's the translated copy?
Madam, translated copy.
Not there.
The translated copy, I'm so sorry, my lord. It is extremely sorry.
You have to furnish it, Mr. Chan.
But in fact, I furnished to, I think, my other respondent side.
But you didn't.
In the court, my
furnish
lord,
it
I'm
to the
sorry.
court.
My lord, I'm sorry for that. If Lordship permits me, my lord, I will.
It have to be permitted because otherwise we're halfway down the road.
My lord.
It's already there. Page?
Okay.
Thank you. Otherwise, time would have been wasted. Yes.
Oh, my lord, yes. Translated copy here. There.
Why has it gone from 83 to 177 then?
The annexing the, my lord, the complaint filed by the parties, my lord. Therefore, it repeated. Repeated. 177. 177.
So in this translated thing, it's come as a lecture what?
My lord.
Page 177 has come as a different lecture.
But this is part of the annexure, my lord,
What has it
separate
come?
annexure. This will be part of
Yes.
the...
Yes.
My lord. So this letter, my lord, with Lordship permission, he has...
This is a reply to the request.
Yes, reply to request.
Request
Okay.
made by the Yapnyao clan and Sardar
of the Mausau village.
On.
Yes.
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 That dated request was when? Sorry. Request dated.
Sardar, the
early
clan,
one, that
the clan one later dated 15 June 2018.
15/6/18.
Yes.
And so?
And he replied on September 2018.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
So, my lord, the nature of his my lord, expression, if Lordship permits me, point number 1 to 3,
Yes.
the translated copy, is he said that before embarking on this, there should be a joint meeting with the Darbar clan, Eupneu, such, along with the village Mausau to discuss together such thing. No partiality shall exist. The selection of members will include the village Sardar, secretary, and the members of the village Darbar should be there in both the villages. The Darbar clan Eupneu will take the responsibility such that there is no partiality. This is my personal view. Therefore, with respect to the same in the Darbar, that you will be pleased to come until the village Mausam so that the local villagers will be able to discuss together to give a genuine order in your presence as the same. So it is his personal expression that it requires a deliberation if required because of the request coming forward from the clan. He didn't say that go ahead with the amalgamation or the recognition of my village. Thereafter, my lord, if we come back to the page number now, my lord, page number 96, madam. Page 96. This has a great, his letter has created confusion in the village. Therefore, he had withdrawn. He had withdrawn his letter also. Page number 96, translated copy. He has said, with reference to the subject cited above, I hereby inform your good self that I have withdrawn my letters and such. Over these few facts, that I have clarified that the letter was only my personal view, that I have also requested you to kindly visit the people of the village, but you have never visited till today. So he has withdrawn that one, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, the Yopneo clan has given a report.
Yes.
And the report is available in page number 99.
Yes.
Report is 22nd December 2020.
Now, on what authority they made the report? Just like that?
Yes, they have prepared a report and submitted to the chief. And my lord, we come to page number 99B.
Yes. 1 second.
Mm. 99B, page number 99B.
99B?
Yes, B, my lord. Point number 2, may I take with lordship permission? Point number 2, my lord, page 99B.
The letter, yes.
Yes, my lord. Letter dated 14 December 2020 is read with this review received from the same possible, which is sent to answer to the comments of the village Mausau, which is stated Mausau such. The answer to the comments of the village Mausau Mini. The letter dated 13 September, it is sent by the headman.
Yes.
And after reading all the 3 letters and after discussing with another thought is accepted as it is, and the opinion given by the Sardar village Mausau Mini in the above comments to answer also accepted. And after discussion with another opinion, it is decided to set up only one Darbar village within the land of Upneu clan in Mausau, just as it has been since older times, to have only one village, Darbar Mausau Nongposopo. For the purpose of selecting the members of the Mausau village, it is decided to do in the Darbar, and the clan will take responsibility so that there can be no biases, no one-sidedness. So what they have done in the report is that they have solely relied on the letter submitted by the headman, which he had withdrawn.
No, that he will give withdrawal on 17th
Yes.
December.
Yes.
And this was on 20th.
Yes.
So 22nd December.
22nd December.
They were aware of the withdrawal.
No,
But have they indicated here? No.
My lord, it is not indicated. And on the basis, this report was submitted by the Upneu clan. And yes. Accordingly, the chief has passed the order, impugned order, page number 100. On 2nd January 2021.
Impugned one?
Well, page number 100, Annexure 24, translated copy. Therefore, the Darbar on 22nd December 2020, after careful deliberation and decision all the documents and the record relating to this purpose, and after listening from both the party, has decided that with regard to the letter of the Clan Upneu, such, the 15th June 2018, demanded to constitute only one Darbar village under the Clan Upneu at Mausau Nongposopo Sameship has accepted, because both the two villages, the Mausau village and the Mausau mini village, has accepted and agreed the demand of Clan Upneu to constitute as one Darbar village. As per the reply of the allegation forwarded to the office of CM and his Darbar, the reply of allegation of the Mausau mini, there is such, my lord, 23rd September. They are relying on the headman's letter, which he had withdrawn. And the Mausau village letter stated 28 December 2018. As per the letter dated Mausau 22nd December 2020, coming from the Clan Upneu, which has clearly explained the opinion of the Darbar between the Mausau village, Mausau mini village, along with the elders of Clan Upneu, which has accepted and agreed to become one Darbar village. The Mausau village, Nongposopo Sameship, has forwarded the reply of allegation to the same in his Darbar. Mausau mini village has been ceased to exist, as it was agreed to amalgamate together as one Darbar village, the Mausau Nongposopo Sameship. So by this, my lord, they relied on the headman's, the respondent's letter. They say that that amounts to acceptance by the entire villagers of the Mausau mini. So they decided that it is, both the parties decided. Now I agree with this, we file a political appeal. My appeal is 131. Yes.
But if this order was passed in,
and the final impugned
order of the same was passed, in which
my lord, that he passed on 2nd January 2021. CM, the chief has passed.
2nd, yes.
January
2021.
2021.
Okay.
My lord. And then I prefer political appeal.
Appeal is
yes.
Yes, okay.
Which one?
My political appeal, page number, my lord, 131. And may I straight away go to the impugned order passed by the Executive Committee?
Yes.
And the impugned order of the Executive Committee is available in page number, my lord, 226.
Page 2226.
My lord, 266, my lord.
EC order.
Yes, 30th June.
30th or
30th June.
30?
30, June 2022.
Okay.
Now, my lord, I may come to the relevant portion, page 167 from the...
It will be good if he reads the entire...
Page 226.
226 is the impugned order.
Or
266.
266.
266.
Let my colleague read the entire...
So I can take
Get
lord's
clarity.
permission.
There.
266. My lord.
Who's throbbing star? You're the present Sardar?
Yes, my lord.
Sardar Mohammed Singh.
Yeah, most of me.
But also one question. All along this period, now you had your own elections for Darbar, like your own Sardar.
But
or was it a mix-up? There was no demarcation, and from Mausau, Mohammed Singh, there was no clear...
No. After that, my lord, from 1990, the chief used to issue sanat every now and then, whenever the term expired.
Till 21?
Yes, it continued to exist.
Okay, yes.
And this order, my lord, may I just...
You read it, yes.
Beginning, my lord. The appellants, and such, who claim to be the Sardar of Mausomini, filed a petition challenging the order and such passed by the same Onongpo Sopo. The appellant stated that Mausau Mini was created and separated from Mausau village since the year 1980, and the same Onongpo Sopo has issued sanat in favor of the Sardar who administered the Mausau Mini. He claimed that the boundaries are under the administrative control of the census as follows. The appellant claimed that Mausau Mini village was duly recognized by the Executive Committee and the same of Nongpo Sopo. The same from time to time issued sanat to the Sardar Mausau Mini since 1980 till date. Further, the appellant stated that only in the year 2018, the Upneo clan, through their representative, filed a petition before the same of Nongpo Sopo to club Mausau Mini with Mausau village to form one village to be known as Mausau village, with one Sardar, headman to look after the administration of the village. The appellant stated that on 23rd September 18, the then Sardar of Mausau Mini, Sansaj, has issued a letter arbitrarily without any consultation with his Darbar or the villagers. In the said letter, he stated that he had no objection to the request of the Upneo clan to club Mausau Mini with Mausau village to form one village. But he clearly mentioned that before doing this, there must be a meeting among the Upneo clan, Mausau Mini, Darbar Shnong, and Mausau village, Darbar Shnong. But such meeting was never held till date. The same Onongpo Sopo then arbitrarily passed the orders and such without affording the appellant an opportunity of being a hearing, and directly passed the order based on the letter and such, and thereby derecognizing the Mausau Mini village. Being aggrieved by the order passed by the same of Onongpo Sopo, he filed the appeal petition before the EM, Khazil Shillong, praying for setting aside. The appellant also filed a missed case, which is registered as missed case number 1, 2021, where he prayed to stay the order of Sansa relating to election of the Sardar Shnong of Mausau village. The Executive Committee has asked the same Onongpo Sopo, the Sardar of Mausau village, representative of Upneo clan, to file their show cause with regard to the appeal filed by the Sansat. The same Onongpo Sopo in his show cause stated that the issue amalgamation of two villages into one village is one which has deliberated, discussed, and resolved, wherein the appellant as a Sardar of the Mausau Mini, along with his colleagues, represented their village, which is evident from the attendance sheet. And it was on the basis of this resolution the same of Onongpo Sopo in his Darbar passed the impugned order. The same of Onongpo Sopo also stated the aspiration of the Upneo clan is also for better administration of the clan property, and thus they have filed a petition before the same of Onongpo Sopo requesting the EM Executive Darbar of the Hima to amalgamate the two villages. Before passing the impugned order, show cause notices were issued to the representative of the Upneo clan, secretary of a Mausau village, and also the secretary of the Mausau Mini to file the response. But no one filed the response. The CM of Nongpo Sopo in his show cause also stated that the decision to amalgamate the two Darbar Shnong under one was done in a proper manner, and before such a decision is taken, a meeting of the residents of the village and the Yopno clan was held, and they jointly agreed to merge the two villages into under one. The same Onongposo also filed a supplementary show cause where he stated that the resolution of the Darbar Hima since 2017, the General Darbar Hima has decided to do away with the village administration of an individual without a proper boundary. In this General Darbar, it was also decided that all the villages under the Nongposopo should register their respective boundaries, and those villages which has no boundary, but it was created as a village before to administer over the individual should be de-recognized. The Mausau Mini village has also registered the village boundary, and the same and his Darbar also approved the same. The representative of the executive Darbar of the Nongposopo also conducted an inquiry, and it was found that Mausau Mini has no boundary, as the villagers settled in the claimed jurisdiction of the Mausau Mini did not join with Mausau Mini, but they still fall under the administration of the Mausau village. Further, the sanad of the appellant also has expired, and the appellant is no longer a sardar of the Mausau Mini village. Moreover, the Hima has already appointed the acting sardar for the administration of Mausau village, and majority of villagers welcome and cooperated with the acting sardar. The secretary of the Upnau clan also filed a show cause, and he stated that Mausau village was established in regained land of Upnau clan. He stated during the year such, one Sri Lanka wanted to become a sardar of Mausau village, but as per the customary practice, only the male member from Upnau clan can become the sardar of the village, and the Upnau clan objected to him. This person misled some of the villagers to bifurcate and form a new village called Mausau Mini without the consent of the Upnau clan, and also without the consent of the apparent village, and since then there has been a problem in administration of a lot of villages. The Upnau clan, in order to protect and preserve the landed property, and also in order to bring a better village administration for the welfare of the villagers, decided to approach the same of Nongposopo to be a mediator to club the two villages under one. He states Sardar of Mausau Mini has submitted a petition to the same of Nongposopo, where he stated that he has no objection to the petition filed by the Upnau clan and to amalgamate two Sardar Shnong into one. The Darbar Shnong of Mausau has also filed a petition, stated that they have agreed to amalgamate the two villages into one. Further, he also stated on Sunset 20, a meeting of both the villages was held by the clan, where the appellant also attended. In this meeting, the people of both villages have agreed to have only one village administration. He prayed that the executive committee should approve the amalgamation of the Mausau and Mausau Mini into one village. The executive committee on such conducted a hearing, and all the party concerned attended this hearing. And with the unanimous decision, the parties agreed that the same Nongposopo shall conduct a referendum where the will of the people from both the villages should be heard, whether they are willing to or not to merge the two villages into one. And if the villagers are also not happy with the merger, the same should demarcate the proper.
Now, you just read this again. As the committee on 12-1 conducted hearing means field hearing.
My lord, they called the summon both the parties in the office.
In the office.
Yes, in the office, and there was a hearing. I will come to that, my lord. The same Nongposopo held a meeting for the purpose of conducting referendum on 15 March 2022, and he has filed a report on the same before the majority of villagers from both the villages, Mausau and Mausau.
What's the line missing here?
My lord.
There's a line missing here. See, no, so it's two lines. Before the majority? No.
My lord, some line is missing, my lord.
Before the...
My lord, I'll come to that report, my lord. Report to have an
one line missing.
My lord, what?
The whole in order. Yes, also report before
one line is missing.
And then?
Executive committee, and line is missing. I'm sorry, my lord.
The entire line is missing.
Yes. No, what did it say?
My lord, it
says
that
by conjectures, yes.
A report was submitted to the executive committee,
yes,
showing the majority willingness of the villagers
from
both the villages.
Okay.
Yes, that is the content, my lord.
That is the content.
Okay. Perhaps, my lord. Now, the executive committee has properly examined all the written petitions, the annexures submitted in the respective petitions, the report of the referendum, the objection petition against the report of the referendum, and also the views and opinions of the parties during the hearing. And he has found that since the creation of the Mausau Mini village, same was done without the consent of the parent village, Mausau village, it is absolutely wrong, madam. They are the one who participated in earlier, 2013 also.
See, one thing, Mr. Chariso, before we proceed, see, if you're asking this court to re-examine findings of fact, it will be very difficult, because you're sitting in appeal, you're not able to re-appreciate, whatever. The finding of fact that means in 226,
yes,
difficult.
My lord.
I think that, see, whatever we understand the contentions, but if we're asking this court to reappreciate, and to dispute findings of fact, we can't substitute the findings of this court for the findings of fact arrived at by, an inquiry or a referendum. That you have to keep in mind.
Right.
So then your arguments have to be limited to what is the legality with the order and how it violated your rights. Maybe in national justice, something else.
Right.
But if you want to ask the court to re-examine and on the findings of fact, that's difficult. I mean, and you understand the limits of you're asking for quashing of this order, right? Yes, under it's the writ of certiorari. So and then that's the thing. Yes.
Right. My issue, limited issue, two issues. Here is, my lord. It is, my lord, the entire process is only a revival of all issues that was already settled. And this council committee was urged to revisit its own order.
Just read on. See, earlier Nova Scotia Village, I'm saying based on individual affiliation, accepted Mausi was approved as a committee to be village so but never approved the boundary of Mausau Mingi.
So boundary, my lord, lordship is correct. Boundary dispute is another issue under the Ilaga Act also. Party can address before the chief and they can go to the tribunal also. It has nothing to do with the creation, my lord. Now, more than 30 years the village existed. May I continue, my lord? It found that since the creation of the Mausau Mini village, the same was done without the consent of the parent village. So I have a ground here, my lord. This is absolutely wrong finding. Therefore, the illegality which I want to impress upon my lord to appreciate is that it is absolutely illegal finding. The executive committee earlier approved the chief has created the village and executive committee has approved it. So there was due process of law and all the parties participated. So that issue already attained finality. And there was therefore the finding of the executive committee now that the earlier creation was absolutely without consent is absolutely illegal finding. It's apparent on the face of the record. That's one issue, my lord. And also without the consent of the Upinau village, which is highly illegal. Absolutely, my lord. They were a party from the beginning. Had they agreed, they could have filed an appeal in 2005. They didn't do that, my lord. After 20 years, they raised this. And against the custom in the Hima Nongpo Sopo. Earlier in the Nongpo Sopo CM village administration based on individual affiliation is accepted, and Mausau Mini was approved by the executive committee to be a village to administer the individual boundary of the Mausau Mini. In fact, Mausau Mini did not have its own boundary, and there are many households residing in the claimed territory jurisdiction of the Mausau Mini also fall under the administration of the Sardara Mausau Mini. Well, it is a big land in both the villages. Both the household of the clans are residing in both the villages. That's the reality. The General Darbar of Nongpo Sopo, same ship held on Sunset, is unanimously decided to do away with the village administration based on the individual affiliation and also decided to recognize the village with no boundary. Hence, the impugned order passed by the same ship, while it is in line with the decision of the General Darbar, which is binding on all the villages. The executive committee also found that the decision to merge the two villages into one was done in a proper manner, and it is evident that the representative of the Mausau village and Mausau Mini village has jointly met several times and collectively decided to merge the village into one. Proper consultation was done and there was no arbitration whatsoever from the part of the same of Nongpo Sopo. It was also evident from the referendum that majority of the villagers from both the villages are willing to be under one village administration. My lord, this is the finding, my lord, and may I take to the referendum report. So my humble submission, limited submission, is that the finding of the EC is absolutely against the record, their own record.
Where's the inquiry report? Where's the
inquiry report, my lord? Since they did not put it, but in the affidavit now they have the next. May I come to the affidavit filed by the chief?
Yes.
There he has the next, my lord.
Who's appearing for the chief?
My friend is appearing, my lord. Respond number 3. My lord, he has filed the affidavit, and he did not deny the earlier creation. He admitted everything. His
respondent number?
Number 3. Chief is respondent number 3. And may I come to the...
So number 3, it's a very big affidavit.
Yes.
Well, it's very big affidavit. Detail affidavit, rather, yes.
My lord. So, may I come to the...
Where's the referendum?
My lord, I may come before the referendum. May I just come to the order passed by EC, page number 45.
In the affidavit?
In the affidavit of my friend.
The early order?
Yes, exit committee order for holding a referendum.
In fact, respondent same should have given me a copy also and be able to assist the court.
Yes. You give a copy? Yes.
My lord.
45 translated copy of the resolution of meeting held on 25th
Yes.
Jan 2022.
Yes. The hearing was, the meeting was held by the...
This is a referendum.
Well, not a referendum. Before referendum, the meeting was called by the executive committee in charge, all the parties, and the district council directed the chief.
Right, okay.
My lord. Yes. So may I come to the, my lord, the chief in the middle paragraph, my lord, to save lordship time. The chief made it clear that he had received a complaint from the Eopneuk land revealed that it will not recognize Mausaumini village as a full-fledged village because it bifurcated itself from the main village without proper authorization and permission from the clan. It's absolutely, and it started administering the village based on a household without a proper and definite boundary, and that it will not be possible to demarcate the boundaries and will only recognize one village, that is Mausau village. Thereafter, he received the decision signed by the majority of the inhabitants to only recognize Mausau village. Therefore, the chiefs issued an order to only recognize Mausau village in its administration. From the side of Mausaumini, they agreed that the Eopneuk clan invited them to have a meeting, but they did not give any decision. Therefore, Mausaumini made it known that they had no intention to amalgamate itself with Mausau, and further stated they are already a full-fledged village, has also been recognized by the then chief, as all of the administrative works were already sorted out by the then chief, and also be carried out by the Mausaumini heirs. It would bring hardship to the future generation. My lord, the legal advisor, my lord, Mausaumini had advised the chief to listen and make the decision in accordance with the voice of the inhabitants of the village, whether they want to form only one village or to be separate. After thorough discussion, all the parties agreed with regards to the advice given by the executive member, Ilaga. His decision is based upon the condition herein below. Confer upon the chief of Hima to organize a meeting of all the parties and also to listen to the voice of the people by referendum, so that all the matter smoothly, whether they will want to be village together or to be separate. Or at the same time, the chief has to direct it to seek permission from the district authorities before they organize the meeting, and to strictly follow the rules and regulation of the COVID-19, and also to inform the date, to the office, time and place in which the meeting will be held. The chief, after he received the decision made by the villagers, will have to send the report to this office. If the villagers decided to bifurcate, the chief must settle down the proper boundaries of the two villages by agreement made by both these parties, and to follow as per the rules and regulation of sunset matter. So this is COVID time, and this was the decision. And pursuant to this, my lord, page number 48, letter was issued to all the parties, my lord, by the chief, that he has obtained the COVID the permission in COVID permission from the district administration.
Okay, let's continue. So what happened to the referendum?
Yes, and the referendum straight away, my lord, come to page number 51.
Where's the concluding part?
My lord.
Who attended the referendum?
My lord, some of my villagers also attended. It's a COVID time, and the 190, many hundreds of thousands of people are there, but 190 attended in the meeting. So COVID restriction was there, and the report was prepared by the chief and submitted to the EC, Executive Committee. And this report, my lord, you can see, report was, my lord, on 18 April 2022, my lord. If I come to the, my lord, relevant portion, page 1, so point number 1, my lord. Point number 1. The CM of Nongpo Sopo in his Terpa letter such 4 March 2082 had summoned convened a meeting which comprises of the elders of Mausau village, representative of Gur Eopneuk Mausau, Nongpo Sopo, and Sunset Nonglet in Mausau playground of Mausau village, Nongpo Sopo Zemship, Sunset on 15 March.
Okay, now where's the effective part?
Yes. Now operative portion may come to the para 3, point 3, madam.
After all the members were informed?
Yes, it is important, madam. After all the members were fully informed and aware of the directions and instructions issued by the KHDC by letter such the 1st February 22, speeches were given by representative of Gur Eopneuk, Sri Such, Mandri of Gur Eopneuk, Sri Such, and Kiri Such, and all these speakers are in favor of unified and one Mausau village as sealed and agreed on such and such, citing drawbacks and problems if this village is to be split into two. The interference of the households in different Gadet Shinongs with a view to split Mausau village, which was the main reason of the problem, were all carried on without the permission and approval of the Korea of Now. The residents of Mausau do not agree to be part of the new village, and this will affect the Korea of Now, as majority of them belonging to the Opnau land and reside within the boundary sunset. The Korea of Now also, as a legal guardian of the land, had made it clear not to allow any move to split Mausau village into two villages. Speeches were also given by the Mausau village, and they have reiterated their claims that Mausau Mini was created without any prior information. It's absolutely legal, my lord. Information and discussion without Mausau third part, as it was supposed to be, and also be created without any information and consultation with the court of Now as a legal guardian and landowner. It's absolutely contention, my lord, you can see. Hence, they have expressed their wishes to unite these two villages, as it was peacefully agreed on such and such as to bring in such into a long arising problem.
What's this to bring in a pan farm? What's this?
Pan, my lord.
What was this one?
My lord, this is a translation problem. I'm so sorry, my lord.
What was this, Mr. Kanta? New to me.
Yes.
Pan Pharmacon.
We don't have copy of the affidavit.
Why you don't give a copy of the affidavit?
Neither my colleague here is having copy of the affidavit. How can he assess the court?
Why? You know, that excuse, you not to tell the court whether you serve copy or not. It should be, it's a courtesy that, you know, the paper should be exchanged. Yes, we'll conclude Mr. Chanisu's arguments today, and we'll hear the special counsel, but then we'll keep it part heard. Yes.
I'll conclude now, madam.
Yes, conclude.
Madam.
We won't let the time go waste to get it fresh.
Madam. And point number 4, may I travel with lordship permission? Speeches were also given.
No, it's all right. Now you see 190 members attended, and the unanimous decision was that we will become one village and elect one Sardar, and the term of Prince Sardar, let it finish, and that's it. Because there's no boundary, no territorial, there's no territorial demarcation, and so there'll be confusion with regard to some people. You don't know where they're staying in Mausau, Mingi, or where they're staying in Mausau, and so based on this referendum, the impugn orders generated. Correct?
Yes.
Now, what are your pointed, challenges to the orders that we? Was this creation of Mausau, Mingi alone approved? It was derecognized. Against derecognition, you came in the earlier petition. That order set aside. So after there was no further recognition of executive committee, correct?
It was there was a recognition
by executive committee.
Yes.
Where is that order?
Well, I'll come to that one. I'll just.
And meanwhile, Mr. Khalna, you give a copy to the senior counsel.
My colleague here also didn't.
Why you're very jealous about your finances for photocopy? Then where's the order?
My lord, I'll come to the. My lord.
Sure, the order, the executive committee had at any point of time recognized the creation of Mami Singi from apart from Mausau.
My lord, yes, my lord. That one, my lord, it was reflected in the.
Not a question of reflection. That order.
The copy itself, my lord, the copy of the previous approval.
It's not there.
It is not there. But the district council also admitted that it was approval.
The question of admission is a question of. See, it is now if you are making a point that it's been approved and they have approval remains and there's been a reappreciation of the entire matter. Now we have to look at justifiability of the reappreciation that has been done on what basis, correct? And if again this court saying that if you're trying to seal findings of fact, it will be very difficult in the jurisdiction. We cannot substitute a finding. And another thing, we're not sitting appeal over the order of the executive committee. We're not sitting to see whether it's. You understand very well. I don't need to say.
This is a writ of mandamus, Your Lordship.
That is true, my lord. The procedural aspect.
Writ of mandamus.
The procedural aspects, my lord. Whether the findings of or the basis of the district council or the chief is as per the record or not.
You have to assume the procedural aspects. Whether there's what do you call it, the fundamental principles.
yes.
And another, anyway, I will not advise you, but there's another very vital point here which you have not argued.
I will come to this other point,
Yes,
is, my lord,
we'll
majority view, my lord.
You please bring the other approval and we'll hear it after
10 days, my lord.
10 days.
After a week, my lord, I'll request my party.
Posting it day after tomorrow.
I can come day after tomorrow, subject to lordship convenience.
Tomorrow?
I don't know, it depends
Since
on
we have
my
started
colleague whether
already.
he can supply. It's a huge voluminous thing.
Okay, after 1 week. This is a matter of further hearing after 1 week. Yes. You kindly get whatever material.
Yes, I will. My lord. Deeply appreciate.
Yes. You remember, because it's finding of fact.
Yes.
We will not give our findings. So we can't, even if we can find, we can't substitute a finding.
Whether court can revisit.
We cannot. Revisiting, we cannot reappreciate the evidence.
Yes.
We cannot substitute a findings of fact which have been arrived at by the, and so that's the thing.
24. 24.
Much.
Your Lordship, this is this provident fund matter. In fact, on last occasion I have argued the whole issue.
Where's the counsel for one fund?
Your Lordship, my senior, she is having matter in other court as she is engaged. So,
when tomorrow? This matter, have you filed appeal under 7I?
Well, Lord, because there is an order from this honourable, matter has been resolved by the intervention of this High Court.
Yes.
So, my Lord, I don't think tribunal can review that.
Today is Tuesday, Thursday.
Thursday. All right.
25.
and Your Honour, for 25, kindly allow us to take the matter in end of the board.
No, I mean, it doesn't matter. You're seeking adjournment, 25. Which was 25?
25.
It's just that you can't adjourn in the morning because the board is emptied by the time,
25, end of the board, we have already...
petitioner?
Petitioner.
You want some accommodation? What happened last time?
Last time, if Lordship kindly recalls, I had placed my submissions. I was relying on only three broad points. One is that even though limitation does not apply, your demand under 14B has to be within a reasonable period of time. Has to be within a reasonable period of time. And number two, my Lord, even though limitation does not apply, if I can show that your demand is causing extreme prejudice to me, and I have changed my circumstances to my detriment because this.
Yes, I remember.
And number three, my Lord, mens rea is essential for demand to be imposed under 14B. There has to be a finding from the department that I intended to avoid the payments. And number four, lastly, my Lord, the damages which are imposed on...
After. Let her come, yes. Other permanent fund matters there also.
All right.
Unavailability of the counsel for the respondent is my day after, yes. That's Thursday, correct? Thursday is first.
End of the board.
Be ready on the west.
End of the board. End of the board.
You already added on the board. We can't wait. Yes,
26.
Obliged.
Lordship, I'm praying, Lordship, if this matter can be taken up next week, Lordship. Then it's
what's the matter about?
Lordship will see the audition, my Lord. Number of adjournment has been sought. This is, my Lord, with regard to, my Lord, initial entry into the service.
Appointment, Lordship.
Teachers. College teachers, my Lord. The initial
Which
entry...
college are you representing?
Lordship, Women's... Shillong College, Lordship.
Shillong College?
Lordship.
The number of adjournment has been sought in this case.
So UGC didn't file affidavit, only on the rules, they said.
Correct? They will not file.
Yes, Lordship, they are not filing affidavit. In fact, the state government needs to clarify before this honourable court.
They will pay for the state.
They've already
Ready?
filed.
Since Who's arguing the matter? You're arguing Mr. Paul.
Mr. Paul, Lordship.
Mr. They have some difficulties. He's on the pre Mr. S. Chanda, submits the arguing counsel, arguing senior counsel available due to personal difficulty. It's a matter of the 1 week, yes.
27.
Yes.
Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Tawari.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Okay.
There is someone I see.
Yes, yes.
Be taken up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship, since the conducting counsel is out of station.
Who's the conducting counsel?
B. Deb.
1 second.
Mr. B. Deb. Deb. From respondent number 6.
Respondent 6 is the West Bengal government, if I understand. Yes. Government of West Bengal.
There's a request for adjournment, Mr. Tawari. What to do?
My lord, I leave it to my lord. If that
So
be the
when
case,
when can we have it?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks is too long.
Whatever you.
And for Negu.
You're for the petitioner. We take it after 2 weeks.
Very well, my lord.
Yes.
Whatever.
On the request of counsel respondent number 6, is the unavailability of the arguing counsel. This matter of 2 weeks, yes.
Right. Much.
28.
Yes, Mr. Pasantian.
Mr. Nongri is still on his legs, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
It's promotion
But
matter.
he retired, Your Lordship.
Who retired?
The writ petitioner, Your Lordship, in 23.
When did it? When was it filed? Before he retired?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I think after he retired, Your Lordship. After he retired, the writ petition has been filed.
Then, what remains? Notional promotion for pension benefits?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. This matter after 1 week is, as the arguing counsel is not present, is not available, yes. The petitioner is available, yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
You're going to mention this in the morning?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay.
29.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time for this matter.
Who's the arguing counsel here?
K.C. Gautam, Your Lordship.
He's not well yet.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, after 2 weeks, as the arguing counsel stated to be unwell, yes.
30.
Then you argue the matter, okay?
Okay, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship, the
Similar prayer.
Similar prayer, Lordship.
Yes. After 2 weeks, yes.
Thank you, Lordship.
So we're praying for 3 weeks' time in this matter.
Which matter?
This item number 30.
2 weeks, yes.
Yes. No, Vaishwa.
31.
Here I press 2 weeks time, Lordship.
Why?
2 weeks time. I have some difficulty today, Lordship.
What difficulty?
This is a case, Lordship. Here I am challenging the order of regularization, Lordship. Only the grievances is that, Lordship, that it should be retrospective, Lordship. Because the respondent has given the prospective regularization, Lordship. Because
to the cabinet decision?
No, Lordship. Here
Lordship,
he is
this matters anyways not maintainable, Lordship. This matter is barred by acquiescence, Lordship. The petitioner has already accepted the terms of the regularization, Lordship, which is prior to the 2022 cabinet decision, Lordship. He was regularized in 2018. He had accepted that.
The matter today.
No, he was appointed under a compassionate appointment. His father was.
How?
Yes, Lordship. In 1994, Lordship.
How can you put a commercial point?
In 1994, Lordship.
Before the scheme.
Yes. 1994 he was appointed on a contractual basis. Now when he was not regularized, then I have come to the Honorable Court, and Court has directed the respondent to consider my my case. Accordingly, Lordship.
When do you want it then?
10 days, Lordship. 10 days.
Yes, on the request also for some accommodation, it's a matter of 10 days. Yes.
32.
Yes, petitioner.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I am prepared 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Why?
To take up this matter. As Mr. SJ is having some personal difficulties.
Who's having personal difficulty?
SJ, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about? You ready?
No, Your
You're not ready. Last time joint request. What's the matter about?
The petitioner is aggrieved by the appointment of Nokma.
Nokma matter?
Yes.
Yes, after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
joint request of the parties.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
33.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 3 and I am praying for some accommodation.
3 is? He is who is he? Malcolm Star.
Malcolm Star.
3 is Yong Nong Cloud. Where's Mr. Nongpure?
Sartar of the Maunai village.
CM of Nongklao.
No, 3.
No, Sartar.
Where's Mr. Nongpure?
He is out of station. He is having some personal difficulty, Lordship.
When? Yes, Mr. Changreso.
But
after?
She's
After
praying
2
for
weeks,
10,
Lordship.
after 10 days.
After 1 week. Okay.
Okay.
Obliged.
Highly obliged.
34.
Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we had been instructed to seek information whether we could accommodate the writ petitioner in any other post suitable for his qualification. We have written to the department, Your Lordship, and we're still awaiting instructions. This writ petitioner had been appointed in place of his father, who had been shot down by some terrorists. But because he is not qualified to be regularized, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, had directed us to,
Yes, Lordship.
if he could be accommodated in any other posts.
White order dated 1/7.
Yes, on purely humanitarian.
Yes, on humanitarian
You have
grounds.
not received any instructions?
We are yet to receive instructions.
This court by order dated 1/7/2024, I directed the learned AAG to obtain instructions as to whether the petitioner could be accommodated to any other suitable post, considering the qualifications and the circumstances. Stop. Like for today, MST Yangi Len AG submits that she's yet to receive instruction. Though considerable time has passed, further 2 weeks time granted. I'll be able to obtain appropriate and specific.
Highly obliged.
35. 35 is regarding that construction of the road from Rilbong to Umshirpi Bridge, where there was already a case earlier.
There's another case. There are 2 cases pending.
No, first case has already been disposed of, Your Lordship.
Yes, he's ready with the matter. He's looking very eager. Yes.
Next week, Lordship.
You're ready.
This case is barred by res judicata.
Yes, due to absence of Mr. K. Paul, there's a matter for 2 weeks.
Second call, item 21.
Yes.
My Lord, this case pertains to, my Lord, application for appointment on the basis of, or on compassionate, my Lord. Here, my Lord, my grievance is that I was never given a fair chance. My application was never given a fair chance to be considered, my Lord. And why I said so is, my Lord, right after 1 month, within 1 month after the death of my father, my Lord, who was working as in
Before
this
2011?
2011, my Lord. 2010 itself, my Lord, 2009 itself, I filed my application, my Lord. And my father died on 22nd 08 2009, 2009, and my Lord, I have filed my application for consideration of compassionate appointment on 22nd 09 2009, my Lord. And my Lord will find that is in my additional affidavit. Along with this application, my Lord, I filed in the standard form and all the requisite documents, my Lord. Now, my Lord, I was from 15 to 2010, my Lord, I was allowed to officiate, my Lord, as a in the same office as a tractor handyman, my lord. And this went on till the year 2015, my lord. During pending of my application for compassionate appointment, yes, I was allowed to officiate, my lord, and which I've worked for almost 4 years and 10 months, my lord. Now there was in this between, my lord, before the scheme came to an end, my lord, in the December 2010, the secretary, my lord, the deputy secretary issued a letter, a circular to all the administrative heads, saying that whoever's applications are pending for compassionate appointment should be forwarded. And that application, my lord, will find
in the affidavit.
My lord, in my writ petition, my lord.
Page?
Page 42.
Page?
No. Just a second, my lord. Give me a wrong. Page 44. My lord will find. Page 41. Page 41. Page 41A. No, page 41. My lord, page 49, my lord. That will find page 49. I'm sorry, I was looking my other reference. Page 49, my lord.
Are you working now or are you out of employment?
My lord, I am out of employment now, my lord.
Since?
My lord, since my last was 2015, my lord.
You have not been working since. How are you sustaining yourself?
My lord, it is difficult.
You understand what's compassionate appointment is like to get over any financial emergencies.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
And if you had already been appointed that time, okay, in 2010,
yes, my
and
lord,
you continue such till today, maybe you should be
yes,
considered. But if you have not from 15 now 9 years,
my lord,
how are you surviving?
My lord, labor's work, my lord.
Then financially you're not
my lord,
distressed anymore.
No, my lord, it is there, my lord. Financial stresses, my lord. It is very much there, my lord. But my only grievance here is, my lord, whether I was, because, my lord, I have submitted within time limit, my lord.
Let's see, 49.
Page 49, my lord.
This is dated 2011.
2011.
When is the scheme discontinued, Mr. Abraham?
December 2010.
24th November 2010. 24th November
2010.
2010. Yeah, 24th November 2010, Your Lordship.
So, my lord, this was written from the deputy secretary to all the administrative departments, subject pending proposal for appointment on compassionate ground. Reference so and so. With reference to the above, I am directed to say that while notifying abolition of the scheme for employment on compassionate ground, it was stated that only pending proposals, including those arising up to 24th November, will be examined on merit by the government. In view of the above, you are therefore requested to submit all the pending proposals letters by 15 July 11, failing which no proposals after the deadline will be entertained. My lord, now, my lord, the lacuna was not on my part. I have already submitted my compassionate appointment since 2009, my lord.
You answered it. Your application has been answered, rejected or allowed?
No, they have not. They have answered by saying that they have received my application after the expiry of the scheme, my lord. After the expiry of the scheme, my lord. Whereas I have submitted since 2009, my lord.
When the proof of confirmation receipt is there in the application itself.
I'm sorry? Yes, it is very much there, my lord. It is very much there, my lord. My lord may see page 6 of my affidavit, of my additional affidavit that is filed on 5th February, my lord.
5th February. Okay.
5th February affidavit, my lord.
Yes, where, what page?
Page 6, my lord. My lord, kindly look at the receipt, 30th of September 2009.
Okay.
And And along with this application, my lord, all the formats were accompanied on the following pages, my lord. A type copy is page 9, my lord.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. All these were. So this was, my lord, pending before the divisional forest of divisional officer, my lord, Nongstoin Soil and Conservation Division. So this went. Then thereafter, my lord, I filed 2 more representations, my lord. 2 more and those 2 representations were before the scheme came to an end, my lord. So the very proof that, my lord, we were in dire need at that relevant point of time when my father passed away.
No, but you were appointed immediately after he died, correct?
Yes, I was appointed
on orders, temporary as a tractor operator.
Page 19, my lord.
Of your petition.
Yes, my lord. Page 19 onwards, my lord. This is the first appointment in the interest, my lord, my lord has got. In the interest of the public service and the facilities. Yes, my lord. So continue like that, my lord, till 2015, I'm sorry. Till 2015, my lord, I was allowed to officiate in this manner, my lord.
Where's the order ceasing your employment? It's not here.
Ceasing my employment, my lord, that is not there. The 2015 was the last order, my lord.
Where was that? Page?
Page A, my lord, that would be. Page 40 is the type, is the
you
order.
How many days at a time? 89 days?
My lord, yes, 89.
For 5 years?
For 5 years, my lord, for 5 years. But my grievance, then after that, my lord, those are my prayers. Those are my prayers. And
so you only pray that since you submitted your scheme, your application before the cutoff date, the non-consideration is...
Yes. So what would suffice today, my lord, is that I'm not asking for direct...
I understand not asking you to be, asking that your application be considered in the light of the same being filed.
Yes, my lord. A fair consideration should be given.
I understand. See, merits will mean that, they have to take into account whether they have to ask for financial certificate, all the things. You're prepared to go through that.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Abraham.
We have received the application for appointment on compassionate ground on 14 May 2013. It has been forwarded to
Where is that?
If I'm pleased to take your lordship to my affidavit filed by respondent number 5, page 3, paragraph 8.
Page 3,
paragraph 8. Yes. I'm pleased to read your lordship. That with regard to the arraignment made at paragraph such and such of the writ petition, answer the opponent state that the application along with supporting documents in connection with the appointment on compassionate ground in respect of the petitioner has been forwarded to the office of the respondent number 5, white letter number such and such, Nongstoin, dated this 14 May 2013. That is almost 2 years after the death of the government servant. Therefore, the application along with the supporting document in connection with the appointment on compassionate ground in respect of the writ petition has been returned back white such and such on 23rd
and
May.
actually one works in the favor of the writ petitioner. Where's the letter again you have shown earlier on?
My lord, is in my affidavit to bring on record documents as mentioned in page number 6, my lord.
No. The letter from that whoever sent before, appointed before, we considered. Where's that on merits?
Page 41A, the last one which I read.
That is in my affidavit, page 10 also. Page 10, annex of 4. Last page, your lordship.
Your affidavit?
In my affidavit, I have enclosed that document, your lordship. Page 10, annex of 4, your lordship. With reference to the above, I'm directed to say that while just...
That's it. Yes, then it's all to answer departments. Now the negligence not on this part, it's on the part of the subdivision officer.
Yes.
Anything else to say?
Because we have received lately after
that's
the...
all right. That's all
we
right.
could not forward it to the...
But you're not answering for this subdivisional force. How many responses have you made?
My lord, there are respondents.
6 respondents, your lordship.
So what you filed only behalf of number 5?
On behalf of respondent number 5, yes, Your Lordship.
What about the other respondents? You didn't file affidavit on their behalf?
So we'll rely on the affidavit filed by respondent.
How will you
number
rely on that? Because the person who's concerned is number 6. You submitted it before someone number 6, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. And the letter that rejecting it was given by the respondent number
5.
5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is that?
Para 8, it is mentioned again, respondent number 5.
Annexure?
Annexure, that is annexure 1. Annexure 2.
See, annexure 1. Now, when did your father die?
My father died on 28/08/2009.
22/8.
22/08/2009.
Just come again. 22.
22/08/2009.
When did you file application?
I have filed my application on 22/09/2009.
That's after 1 year.
No. After 1 month. After 1 month.
Or same 1 month?
Yes. 22/09/2009.
We just examine your applications again.
There's another
Page 6, my lord. Page 6.
There's another application on his affidavit, that is page 21. Another application that is filed on 28/7/2010. Another application on the same ground. Only the date is different. Page 21, last page, typed copy.
Yes. Take down his. The petitioner is before this court with a prayer that his application for appointment on compassionate ground be given due consideration by the concerned respondents. Who have rejected the same on the ground that the said application was received beyond the time limit prescribed by, where's your letter? By communication dated 6 June 2011, whereby pending proposals for upon compassionate grounds were directed to be forwarded to the concerned department, or to the concerned department, that is Personal and Administrative Reforms Department. So, next paragraph, Mr. P. Ubin, Legal Counsel of the petitioner, has submitted that the father of the petitioner had died in harness on 22nd August 2009, and thereafter immediately on 22/9/2009, an application for appointment to a post on compassionate grounds had been filed before the divisional officer, Stolen Soil Conservation Division, bracket respondent number 6. He submits that with the said application, the said application was made in the prescribed standard form application, and all required documents had also been annexed. So, but however, the said application did not deserve or did not receive any consideration on the ground as aforestated. Legal counsel also submitted that he had also been appointed as tractor handyman.
As a tractor handyman.
Temporary tractor handyman from
15/02/2010.
From 15/02/2010
to
same
06
ceased on
06/01/2015 is the last order.
From 15, without any further extension, which has put the writ petitioner into financial distress. Stop. The Legal Counsel has drawn the attention of this court to the said letter dated with a letter. Letter dated 6 June 2011. And submits that as the application of the writ petitioner had been filed before the cutoff date, before 24th November 2010, which was a cutoff date, and as such was a pending proposal. For no fault of his, the same had not been sent to the concerned department for consideration. Stop. We therefore praise that the application so filed be directed to be given due consideration by the respondents. Next paragraph. Mr. H. Abraham, on behalf of the respondents, did that the application of the writ petitioner was received by the respondent number 5 only on
14 May 2013.
14 May 2013. Where is that in your affidavit?
Para 8, page 3, para 8, Your Lordship.
Stop. Stop. Legal Counsel has taken the court to paragraph 8 of the affidavit, wherein it is stated that the application along with the supporting documents have been returned as the same had been received almost 2 years after death of the government servant, and moreover the scheme for compassionate appointment had been stopped since 2010. He therefore submits that the applications as directed being not received, no further consideration can be given, and the writ petition deserves no consideration. Stop. Next paragraph. Upon hearing the counsel for the parties, it is noticed that the writ petitioner, by an additional affidavit filed on 5/2/2024, has brought on record the application for compassionate appointment dated 22/9/2009, along with all the necessary enclosures. Along all necessary enclosures, which testifies to the fact that the writ petitioner had immediately after a month had elapsed since his father's death, had made the said application. Stop. Further, admitted the application before the respondent number 6. Right?
Yes, 6.
6. Further, is noted from the affidavit filed by the by the respondent number 5 that the respondent number 6 has, by a communication dated 14th May 2013 addressed to the respondent number 5, categorically stated that the application of the writ petitioner was received on 28/7/2010, which was prior to the date was discontinued, and that and regret was the non-processing of the matter was due to an oversight. This letter assumes great significance as it shows that before the said date, which is cut-off date of 24/11 November 2010, the application of the petitioner was already on board, and the lapses, it appears, has been caused by the respondent number 6 itself, who should have forwarded the same immediately. Stop next paragraph. Considering the nature of the case, and notwithstanding the fact that compassionate appointment is allowed to tide over financial emergencies that a family might face on the sudden demise of the breadwinner. Stop. Also comma, not sub comma. As writ petitioner, as writ petitioner from the materials that as writ petitioner has filed the application when the scheme was alive, and that too before the cut-off date of consideration. Though much time has elapsed, this court deems it fit to direct the respondents to consider the application on merit, on merit. How much time? Preferably with a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of this order. Writ petition accordingly, as ordered above, writ petition orderly stands disposed of. Close disposal.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.